Good morning, dear student. Welcome to you in today's video lecture. Dear student, today we are going to learn the concept of utility, which is very important for our syllabus, because our second chapter, known as utility analysis, is totally related with the concept of utility. In this second chapter, we will learn the features of utility, types of utility, some concept related to the utility, then law of diminishing marginal utility with its assumptions and exceptions. It will be discussed in this second chapter. But before explaining total utility analysis, we should know the concept of utility. Without understanding the concept of utility, we cannot understand the utility analysis, which is related with consumer behavior, maximization of satisfaction. Therefore, before explaining the utility analysis, we should know the concept of utility. Then we may explain its features, types, as well as we may understand the law of diminishing marginal utility also. Therefore, student, now we will discuss about the concept of utility. What is utility? So, the concept of utility is very important, which is related to our daily routine life also. So, we should know what is the utility. So, utility is the capacity of commodity and services. What is utility? Capacity of commodity and services to satisfy human wants is called as utility. So, utility means capacity of commodity. Commodity means goods and services. So, capacity of that goods or commodity and services to satisfy human wants. Whose wants? Human wants. So, that capacity of commodity and services to satisfy human wants is called as utility is the power. In another word, utility is the want satisfying power of commodity and services. So, how it can be defined? Want satisfying power of commodity and services is known as utility. In our daily routine life, we use many goods from morning to night. So, all goods or all commodity, why we use? Because that commodity has power to satisfy our want. So, that power in commodities is known as utility in economic analysis. So, in another word, we can define it as want satisfying power and services is utility. But first we should know that whose wants? Human wants. So, human wants satisfying power of commodity and services is known as utility. In another word, it can be defined as capacity of goods and services to satisfy human wants is called as utility. So, here we will explain the concept of utility with many examples. But first we should know what is the utility. So, utility is the want satisfying power. But want satisfying power of commodity as well as services. We use many commodities as well as we use or we may take many services. Why we use that commodity and why we take some services? Because that commodity and services has power to satisfy our wants. So, in another word, that has power to satisfy human wants. That commodity and services has capacity to satisfy human wants. So, that power or capacity to satisfy human wants is known as utility. So, want satisfying power of commodity and services, how it can be defined? Want satisfying power of commodity and services is known as utility. So, many goods which we use in our life. So, many goods which we use in our life has power to satisfy our wants. So that power in goods and services is called as utility in economic analysis. So what is utility? Utility is a want satisfying capacity of commodity and services is known as utility. Here we will explain the concept of utility with the help of many examples. So it can be explained with the help of many examples in our routine life. Here we may take example of apple. An apple has power to satisfy our want. Suppose we are hungry and our want is to satisfy our hungriness. And whenever we eat apple, whenever we consume apple, then our want can be satisfied. In another word, we can say that apple has power to satisfy the wants of hungry person. Apple has power to satisfy the wants of hungry person. That power in apple is called as utility in economic analysis. Here we may take another example also. Suppose our want is to write an essay. What is our want? To write an essay or letter. So which commodity has capacity to satisfy our want? Pen. Which commodity? Pen. So pen has power to satisfy the wants of student. Pen has power to satisfy the wants of student. That power in pen is known as utility in economic analysis. So capacity of commodity to satisfy human want is known as utility. Then we may take very easy example. In nowadays we are facing corona pandemic period. In this period we use sanitizer. Which commodity we use? Sanitizer. Why? Because sanitizer has power to satisfy our want. Sanitizer has power to satisfy our want. So that power in sanitizer also is called as utility. So here we may take another example also. Suppose the girls who wants to look beautiful. The girls who wants to look beautiful, and if she use Fair and Lovely, if she use Fair and Lovely, and after the use of Fair and Lovely, suppose if she looks beautiful, in another word, that Fair and Lovely has power to satisfy her want. Fair and Lovely has power to satisfy her want. It means human wants. That power in commodity is called as utility. So here we can say that Fair and Lovely has utility for girls. Fair and Lovely has utility for girls. So as well as we may take a very easy example, and suppose we are facing rainfall. At that time our want is to protect ourselves from rain. What is our want? To protect ourselves from the raining. So which commodity has power to satisfy our want? Raincoat. Which commodity? Raincoat. So raincoat has capacity to satisfy human wants. Raincoat to satisfy whose wants? Human wants. Whose wants? Human wants. So in this way, utility means capacity of commodity. Capacity of commodities to satisfy human wants. So capacity of commodity to satisfy human wants is known as utility. But some services has also power to satisfy our want. Some services has also power to satisfy our want. That power or capacity in service is also known as utility. Here we will take an example of doctors. So doctor provide his service to the patient, and as a result want of patient can be satisfied. So in another word we can say that doctor's service provided by doctor has power to satisfy the wants of patient. So service provided by doctor has also capacity to satisfy the wants of patient. Nowadays we are facing a very difficult time, corona pandemic time. In this period, whose service play an important role? Service provided by doctor play an important role in this particularly corona pandemic time. So service provided by doctor has power to satisfy the wants of patient. That power which is provided by doctor is also known as utility. It will be very appropriate example during corona period. Then we may take some other services also. Suppose a student who wants to take the knowledge, whose want is to take the service has power to satisfy the wants of student. Service provided by teacher. Service provided by teacher has capacity to satisfy the wants of student. So that is also known as utility. Another example also with respect to the service. So nowadays service provided by police has power or capacity to satisfy human wants. So what is the our wants which is satisfied with the help of service provided by police? To maintain law and order. To maintain order, it is the human wants. It is the human wants. Wants can be satisfied with the service provided by the police. Nowadays, police playing very important role in corona pandemic time. Therefore, they are also called as corona warriors. So, service provided by police has also power to satisfy human wants, to maintain law and order. Service which is very necessary is provided by police, and therefore we can see that the service provided by police has also power to satisfy human wants. Then next example we may take lawyer. Service provided by lawyer has power to satisfy human wants. So that power in services which is satisfy human want is called as utility. Whose wants? Human wants. So in this way, what is the utility? Utility is a capacity of goods and services, capacity of commodity and services to satisfy human wants. In another word, want satisfying capacity of commodity and services is known as utility. In another word, capacity of goods and services to satisfy human wants is known as utility, as well as utility is the want satisfying power of commodity and services. Here we have taken many examples related to commodity which satisfy human wants: pen, apple, sanitizer. Service, doctor, teacher and police. So all commodity and services has power to satisfy human wants, which is known as utility in economic analysis. So in this way we have seen the concept of utility. Thank you.